80% of high achievers, athletes, entrepreneurs, even astronauts, use one powerful mental tool to reach their goals. It's not luck. It's not talent. It's called creative visualization. What if the life you've been dreaming of is already waiting for you, inside your mind? Welcome to Positive Viber, your space for motivation, meditation, and inner growth. In this video, we'll uncover how creative visualization works and how you can use it to manifest your dreams with clarity and purpose. Let's face it, manifesting your dream life isn't as easy as it sounds. You set goals, but self-doubt creeps in. You start something, but get distracted, overwhelmed, or stuck. And sometimes, you wonder, maybe this isn't meant for me. The truth is, most people struggle not because their dreams are impossible, but because their mind is not aligned with their vision. Visualization is the missing link between where you are and where you want to be. Creative visualization is the practice of imagining your goals so vividly and consistently that your mind begins to believe they're already happening. Studies show that imagining an experience lights up the same brain regions as actually living it. That means your brain begins to rewire itself for success. Top performers use this daily. Athletes visualize winning. Jim Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million before he ever got the role that paid it. Oprah has shared how vision and belief shaped her future. This isn't fantasy. This is focused mental training. Creative visualization is grounded in neuroscience, specifically neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to reshape itself. With regular practice, you can literally create new pathways of belief, motivation, and action. Here are 3 simple ways to begin. 1. Mental rehearsal. Close your eyes and walk through your dream scene. Engage all your senses. 2. Vision journaling. Write down your goals as if they've already come true. 3. Vision boards. Use images and words that represent your goals and keep them where you can see them daily. The secret ingredient: emotion. When you feel your future, your brain starts to believe it's real. Here's the most powerful truth. When you visualize with emotion and repetition, your brain starts to act as if your dreams are already in motion. You'll notice new ideas, new energy, and new doors opening. You'll start making decisions that match your highest self. Visualization helps you build confidence, dissolve fear, and attract aligned opportunities. It doesn't make life perfect, but it helps you become the kind of person who creates what they once only imagined. So, what did we learn? Creative visualization helps overcome self-doubt. It uses the power of your brain to support your dreams. And most importantly, it transforms your mindset into your greatest asset. Your mind is not just a mirror of your world. It's the canvas where your future is painted. Have you ever tried visualizing your dreams? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. And if you're ready to practice visualization daily, check out our next video, Powerful Morning Visualization Meditation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Positive Viber family. Remember, your dream life begins in your mind, and it starts now.